ECX. Picture kami. Yan yung ano, bago siya inayos muna niya yung wig.
All premium yung wig niya. Kasi yung iba nga kasi
Parang binili sa Shopee. Ito, ano to? Papa-picture ka. Naparami kain. Ako nga, inatok mo eh. Doon, nakapagulun ako bigla eh. Sabi ko, kaya pala pakiramdam.
Ito lang ako pag ako yung tumagin.
Pwede nga sumama isa eh.
Sino ba yun?
Kalaban niya. Same series pero ibang rider naman.
Laban sila.
Una makalaban, pero nung tumagal series makakampi na. Parang namin kanta na yan. One Piece. Nakuha siya yun.
Ha?
Nakakuha siya ako Genshin Impact. Tapos pumiyok pa siya. Kailan? Naka-video na ako.
Uy, bibidyo.
Bibidyo ko na.
Alam mo bang masama yan? Kailangan mo ng consent.
Consent ko.
Alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng consent?
Content.
Nasa utak mo. Yung nagsasalita kapag may masamang nangyayari.
Iba ata yung naisip mo eh.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi consent. Consent siya yung sinasabi mo.
Sexy nigga, I just wanna rock. I just wanna, I just wanna rock.
Okay na? Okay. ACX.
Welcome to ACX, guys. Pagod na po ako. I want to sleep.
Makinang drawing ka?
Overall or this day?
Kahapon.
Simula kahapon, at least 20 plus.
Tigil mo na eh. Succeed ang plano natin surprisein si Kevin. So sobrang surprise niya, sinapak niya ako. Nakatayo kasi ako sa gilid.
Ay kasi, wala akong customer.
Kilala ko kasi ako NPC. Kilala ko NPC. So dito tayo sa booth niya kasi kanina pa ako naglalakad. Iniwan ko ng si Richton kaila Enzo. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magtitinda.
Tinda ka. Mag-attract ka ng customer ha, huwag ka magtaboy.
Meron na ako nung gawa mo. Kung kakasya dito. Bilang kay Martin. Ay! Ha? Excited ako sa...
Ha?
Excited! Ay, kaya siya. Perfect. Bibigla ko ng ilan pa pinagawa.
Ito po na!
Ganitong papel.
Hoy! 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 Hoy!
Susuway pala. Hoy!
Akala to rin ng sinusuway nang kumakatalap din siya. Ngayon lang ulit nakapunta ng convention.
Kailan mo
go to a buffet, as you mentioned, and some not even having their wigs anymore, but it's all good. It's all fun. That sounds really cool. And
Sama ko kaya ano.
3, 2, 1, go.
Sexy nigga. I just wanna rock. I just wanna. I just wanna rock.
See you all at Cosplay Mania 2024! Coming to you live here at the SMX Convention Center, Manila on October 4, 5, and 6. Spanning 3 whole days, it will be the biggest Cosplay Mania ever, and it will be something that you will definitely not want to miss.
The main program may be over, but we still have some more to wrap up our festivities. This is your final chance to take home some great loot, artifacts, and relics. So bring out all the cosplay currencies because we'll be having another. Oh, we're done with that.
Done with that.
But you can still, the shops are still open. You can use your money over there. Yeah.
Guys, this is Naru. It has been a pleasure being with you all. This has been your host, Val.
This has been your host, Jet. We love you all very much. So please stay safe and keep cosplaying.
Ay, wala ko service charge yun.